My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Volkswagen California. This vehicle has done just under 13,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we pass the boot, we can see that the California comes with a bike rack. And as we step inside, we can get a view of the full kitchen, which is complete with a fridge, cooker and sink. Just below we have lots of storage space, as well as our table, which provides us with a dining area. We have our first double bed, which we'll see from the pictures, it transforms into 2 seats, making this camper a 4-belt, 4-berth. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the touchscreen, we have features such as shop, users, driver assist, app connect, navigation, my vehicle and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC and heated seats. And as we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of the pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.